So today we will be learning how to swap two variables without using any third parameter. So let's say we have two variables a and b. A is 25, b is 15. Now we have to swap these two values. We have to assign 15 to a and 25 to b. Now if you are thinking that we can do like this, equal to b and b equal to a. Now this is a wrong method, because if you print it, let's say print a comma b, save it, just run it, you will see the 25 has been lost, the value 25 has been lost. Now there are many ways to swap these values. Let's say the first one, in that case we can use a temporary variable. Let's say temp, which is first assigned none. We can use temp to store the value of a first. Now temp has been assigned 25. Now we have to assign 25 to b. So let's say b equal to a. Now b is been 25. Now a has to assign 15. Now here we have to just say a equal to b and b equal to temp. Now just print a comma b, save, run it. Let's say a has been assigned 15 and b has been assigned 25. Now this is the first way. Now there is another way, using some mathematical formulas. Let's say a has been given a plus b, b equal to a minus b, and again a equal to a minus b. Let's see, if you just print it, save, run. So a has assigned 15, b has assigned 25. Let's see how this is. So a is equal to a plus b. Here a is how much? 40. Now b equal to a minus b. Here b is how much? A is 40 and b is 15. So b has been assigned 25. Now a is 40 and b is 25. So a is now what? 15. Now this is the second way. Now there is another way in the Python. You have to just say a comma b equal to b comma a. Now print a comma b. And this is just a shortcut. So here a is being assigned 15, b is assigned by 25.